Another daily tip. Well, geez, that's not quite right. 1 or 2 videos ago, I mentioned that you can't just assume everything works after your gutters are clean. So to be thorough on my end, I took a garden hose up on the roof and turned it into the gutters. Now, of course, that helps get all the crap out of the gutters, but it also helps get things out of the downspouts. And now that, of course, only applies if the downspout itself actually works right. This one here, seeing that it's failing, right? But what's happening is the majority of it doesn't even get to these failed points. A lot of it happens back here next to your foundation, then it's going to end up in your basement. The majority of it flows away, which is what we need, but we can't have water dropping right there and again going straight into the foundation. And for those that made it to the end of the video, here's a gem for you. I turned this spigot on this morning. It was like a waterfall. There were a couple issues here, but the one that you're going to be most interested in is tightening up this nut. I know a lot of people that used to think if this faucet was leaking, then it was going to have to be replaced, but it's as simple as tightening that nut.